Hello again, folks. Don't mind the messy look, unshaven, crappy shirt. It's an off day to try to relax. So just following up with the package has came from Guitar Fetish. Again, I haven't actually seen Guitar Fetish packaging anything unboxed, but for the most part I've bought everything that's been kind of hardware based anyways, so wiring, this went out. Actually, I can't wait. March 12th, this went out from Mass, and I got it today, the 18th. So, anyways, again, this is the wiring system for the GFS red active pickups. And it's going to be one volume, one tone, and appropriate through a toggle. Empty package. So anyways, here are standard GFS receipts. Canadian $36. The wiring harness itself was $27.95. And again, here's what the bag looks like. RL195. And again, you can see one of the tone pots, the jack, through a toggle, the 9-volt adapter. On the other side of the bag here, you can see the bus, another tone pot, and again the varying interconnect wires, and manual. So that's basically it. And I have to work the finish back on the body, and like I said, probably by the end of the month the Schecter Omen should be assembled back together and everything put in, and get the sound and look of it when it's all back together. Catch you later.